Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna bread using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 can of tuna, 2 slices of bread, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Make sure your tuna is thoroughly drained to avoid a watery sandwich. You can also add a 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery or a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for extra flavor. This simple approach ensures a delicious and quick meal. Now, let's create the perfect tuna filling. Open your can of tuna and drain it completely, pressing out any excess water. Transfer the tuna to a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is your base. Next, season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. If you like, stir in a 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill or a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything until it's smooth and evenly combined. With your delicious tuna mixture ready, it's time to assemble your tuna bread. Take 1 slice of your favorite bread, whether it's white, whole wheat, or sourdough. Generously spread the tuna mixture from edge to edge. Then, carefully place the 2nd slice of bread on top. For an extra touch, you can lightly toast the bread before spreading the tuna, or even grill the assembled sandwich for a warm, melty experience. Enjoy this quick and satisfying meal. Your easy tuna bread is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste, serve it right away. This versatile sandwich pairs wonderfully with a crisp green salad, a handful of your favorite potato chips, or even a cup of hot soup. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.